Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogs. Today I'll be unboxing the Qiyi Warrior W. I got this cube not for really good speed cube. I just got it since I'm going to a competition soon and I want to have a cube signed. So let's get in. So here's the cube. Let's open it up. Never open the boxes. There. So, can't get it out. There we go. So, has like a matte finish to it. It's really dry. Very dry. Has like a sandy sound, but it doesn't feel super sandy, but it does feel sandy. I'm gonna see which one's better for what I'm gonna use for one-handed. So I think if I loosened this and moved it, it would be better, but right now I like this better. So, yeah, this is why I don't like that cube for one-handed. But so it's a pretty good cube. It's good for like $6. If you want a good budget cube, I would recommend this. Bye.